Take the leap, grow into your legacy. This is the title of my latest workshop that is going live on March 22nd, 2019. It has 3 other dates in April, May, and June. And I'd love to welcome you to this workshop, which is an opportunity to plan a life of growth and also to plan a legacy. So when we think about legacy, we often think about, what happens after I die? But this is really about a living legacy. How can we live to our fullest every day? How can we make decisions that feel right for us every day? And so the model is based on my book, The Apple in the Orchard, a story about finding the courage to emerge. And the model is called the Model of Growth. And so through the model in the workshop, you will be planning, starting with your ultimate purpose, your ultimate goal. And this is honestly one of the areas that people get the most stuck in. So I'm not sure what I want. I don't know what it is that is part of my purpose. And so if this is a question you're asking yourselves, then this is the workshop for you. So there will be some pre-work involved where you would do a few evaluations that you would bring to the workshop, and together we would work on this. So I'm looking at small numbers where myself and my colleagues will be able to support you in helping you develop truly a plan and a model for your own growth and your own living legacy. So what are the actions, the thoughts, and the words that you should be doing on a daily basis to bring you closer to that moment of growth? One element of the model that's actually quite unique is how to deal with emotions. So obviously there are some goals that you have in your life. You've already established goals either in the past or you currently have some. And then something happens and all of a sudden now you're stuck. You're stuck either in a happy place, you could be stuck in a sad place, you could be stuck in fear and your growth has stopped. So these are all elements that we're going to explore together, and you will have an opportunity to present your model to the people in the room. And in sharing your model and your plan, it helps you to solidify it. It helps you to confirm, yes, this is the right plan for me. And through a series of follow-up conversations, my goal is to help you live your plan. So please join us March 22nd for the first workshop, which is Take the Leap, Grow into Your Legacy. Welcome.